A lot of patients and viewers ask me, how can you tell nerve pain from muscle pain? Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, chronic pain physical therapist at Rehab, and today we're going to break this down in a way that actually makes sense. But first, take a few seconds to like this video and subscribe. If this helps you out, consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Alright, let's get into it. Most people describe pain, but they don't always understand which system is actually yelling at them. This matters because you don't fix nerve pain the same way you fix muscle pain. Think of your body like things that go in a house. Muscle pain is like a burnt toast, annoying, local, and obvious. Nerve pain is more like faulty wiring, unpredictable, electrical, and sometimes the problem isn't even where the pain shows up. Let's talk muscle pain first. It usually sounds like, it feels tight, it's sore, or I have a knot. Muscle pain is local, dull, and predictable. But here's the key giveaway. Muscle pain likes to be touched. If I press on a spot, you say, yep, that's it. That's classic muscle behavior. You can try 2 quick tests at home. First is the press test. Use your thumb or a massage ball to press the area. If it hurts right there and nowhere else, it's likely muscle. Second is the warm-up test. Move gently for 5 to 10 minutes. If the pain loosens up or fades as you get moving, that's muscle logic. Muscles are like cold rubber bands. They need a bit of heat to stretch out. Now, nerve pain has a completely different personality. People describe it as sharp, burning, electric, or tingling. And here's the dead giveaway. Nerve pain travels. It goes from the neck into the arm or the low back into the leg. Highway rules, not parking lot rules. Nerves do more than sense pain. They control your strength, coordination, and reflexes. So if you're feeling clumsy or having pins and needles, your nerves are likely irritated. You can test this with the direction test. Gently move away from the pain. If you have arm pain, slowly tilt your head. If that or intensifies the pain down the limb, that's nerve behavior. You can also try the tapping test. Lightly tap along common nerve areas like your wrist or the side of your neck. Muscles don't buzz when you tap them, but irritated nerves definitely do. Why do nerves act this way? Usually it's because they're being compressed, trapped between muscles, or glued down by tight tissue. When nerves lose their ability to glide, they start screaming. But here's the truth most people miss. Most chronic pain is actually both. A stuck nerve makes your muscles guard and tighten up, and those tight muscles then choke the nerve even more. It's a loop. That's why stretching alone doesn't fix nerve pain, and a massage alone won't stop radiating pain. You have to treat the driver, not just the symptom. One final note, if you notice progressive weakness, a loss of coordination, or pain that gets worse at night, stop guessing and get a professional assessment. Structure matters. Let us know what you thought of this and drop your questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. Your feedback generally helps us grow. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.